everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shweta Vijay. It's good to sit in front of the camera and talk beauty. I am loving this entire phase of YouTube. Suddenly there is this, I'm getting inspired to actually make more videos. I do want to be a lot more regular because I have noticed that the short form content is actually like a bubble that is ready to burst any moment. And something about long format, I just hope it makes a major comeback in 2026. I really hope that more and more people start to watch, long format content because there's something so nostalgic about sitting and listening to your content creator who you have followed for a while talk about beauty products. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some best launches of 2025. But in this video, there are some excellent formulations that is completely worth your time, your investment, your money, everything. So let me not waste any more time. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, be a part of my channel, let your content creators channel grow in the year 2026, you guys, be a little more active with us. And if you still have a short attention span and you need a short form content still, then you can find me on Instagram because all my 60-second videos are there. And it is equally fun. So I'm starting off with Plum BodyLovin. Oh my god, guys, Plum BodyLovin has come out with some amazing body butters and body lotions. I have absolutely no words. Now, when it comes to their vanilla caramello, these are a cult favorite already for the brand. The most hyped about body lotions because it is very affordable. The fragrance lingers on. It packs in that hydration. It is a beautiful body lotion that is on the same par as many of those high-end ones, and you know what I'm talking about. Now, I have backups of this. That is how much I love it. This is my go-to. There's also Marshmallow Melt. Oh my goodness, another gourmand scent that when you pair a vanilla caramello or marshmallow melt with any of your fragrances, it's a head turner. And I've spoken about this. I've spoken about Marshmallow Melt 1,000 times on monthly favorites on YouTube. But do you know that they have launched a new body lotion, and this is the hazelnut eclair. And if you try this, if you are a toasty hazelnut chocolate eclair lover, you are going to love it. Now, this is that perfect winter scent. This is right for the winter occasion. Christmas is around the corner, and you want to smell like a beautiful, toasty, warm hazelnut drink. This is it. This is stunning. The fragrance, again, the body lotion is exactly same like the vanilla caramello and marshmallow melt. It has that same hydrating power. It leaves a beautiful film of hydration to the skin. Plum as a brand itself is one of my favorite because their skincare is top notch. But Plum BodyLovin, under the category, under the umbrella of Plum BodyLovin, their body butters, their shower gels, their perfumes, they kick it out of the ballpark, one launch after the other. It is so Christmas appropriate. This is like you sitting with your favorite toasty hazelnut drink and you're just enjoying the streets of London. This reminds me of London in every possible way. When you come out of the shower, just apply this all over. You are going to thank me for this. Plum BodyLovin has got an excellent trio when it comes to their body lotions right now. And you know what? I expected nothing less from this brand because they know what they are doing, basically. But let me show you what they have also launched this time. They have launched the most hydrating body butters. Again, look at the packaging. Look at everything about these body butters. They are excellent gifts to give someone you absolutely love for this Christmas because these tubs of goodness, the scent is going to blow your mind. I just love how my favorite fragrances are now available in new formulations. These body butters are available in 3 variants, that is vanilla caramello, hazelnut eclair, and marshmallow melt. It is enriched with Brazil nut oil and shea butter, and it gives your skin that moisturization and glow, and it is perfect for winters because it gives your body extra hydration without being greasy or oily on the skin, and the texture is super smooth, which just melts into the skin. So if you want to pack on a little more hydration, the body butter it is, and if you want something a little more lighter, the body lotion it is. Whatever said and done, whether it is this or the body lotion, you're just going to absolutely adore what they have brought to the table. Delicious. Looks like a tub of yogurt that I just want to eat, and it's nice and thick and super hydrating. This is that perfect winter body product because it leaves a lot more hydration than the body lotion. So it all depends on what your body skin requires. Plus that fantastic scent, nothing to complain about out here. Just in case you want to save on some extra money, please check the description for the codes and for all the links. I've just made shopping a lot more easier. I just feel that these would make such amazing stocking fillers for Christmas. So that's done about my favorite brand. Let's move on to the next product. This is PhD Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser with Hyaluronic Acid. Now, this is suitable for all skin types. This gently cleanses, hydrates, preserving the skin's protective barrier, and it's got 5 essential ceramides. What I love about this PhD as a skincare, it's making the rounds right now. I'm seeing a lot of my favorite content creators, skincare enthusiasts, talk about PhD. Now, this brand has a lot of dermatologists on board formulating the products, helping the brand, just put forward their products. There is a lot of credibility attached to this brand, but what I love about, I have a couple of their products. They were kind enough to send me this. This was before I left Kochi to Mumbai, and I have been trying this one out. Okay, so this has lasted me really well. And this Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser is, it's so freaking good. Guys, when you come across a Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser, the first thing you think about is something that has got a little more of that thicker texture for your skin. The concentration is a lot more for dry skin people. But finally, for oily combination normal skin, especially for oily skin, there is a hydrating cleanser that is so well suited for them. This has a gel sort of texture, consistency basically, but it's when you apply this onto the face and you do a 60-second face wash at night, you will see how clean your skin feels without stripping away your skin's moisture. I truly think that PhD as a skincare brand is something that needs to be looked at a lot more. I have been trying out a couple of their products. Definitely they are worth talking about, but of all the things that I have tried from this brand, this is the one that really stood out. I'm nearly done because that's how much I loved it, and I have a feeling that a lot more people in the coming year in 2026 is going to be talking about this brand and many of their products. The next new launch winner is the Mars Starlight Pot eyeshadows. Oh my goodness, I don't know what Mars is up to. I really don't. And I really want to speak to somebody in Mars to understand how are they formulating this, because sometimes I'm thinking it's a little questionable to come across something that is so high performing yet super affordable. Make it make sense. And then I did a little digging on these eyeshadow pots, and they are manufactured somewhere in Hong Kong. So it is manufactured there, it's not sold there. When it is manufactured there, then it becomes cruelty free. When it is sold there, it's not cruelty free. Did it irritate my skin? No, it didn't. It didn't irritate my eyes, and usually glitter does. These eyeshadow pots, they remind me so much of what ColourPop, is. But ColourPop is a little more, what you call it, it's a little more softer, almost like a sandy texture. This is full-blown shimmer. These are the kind of eyeshadow pots that you need to reach out for. If it's Christmas time, I mean, all these are so winter appropriate. They have kept holiday in mind. And let me tell you, they've got a shade for everyone. You want gold, you've got it. You want silver, you've got it. You want a lavender shift, you've got it. You want a nice deep berry pinky tone, you've got it. It is perfect to apply that on your eyelids. I have already done a reel on it, and it is just, oh my god, the response was amazing. And again, these are eyeshadow pots that are always sold out. It's so difficult to get. This is what the pot also looks like. Very well packed. Okay, this is the inside packaging. You take that one out right now. It's also got a very soft texture to it, but look at how it shines. It is beautiful on the eyelid. You've got to just warm it up a little bit to take away that grainy texture and break it down, and it's not gritty. Okay, so it gives you that wet shine appeal, and 06 is a stunning color. Another favorite shade of mine is the stunning gold. This is 02, and for Indian weddings, oh my god, this will look so stunning because it's got like a beautiful shift of gold, a little bit of silver to it. It's a stunning, stunning, stunning eyeshadow. And then this is 05 if you just want a pure silver color. and I want you to look at how dazzling that one is. It's also got a little bit of that green gold shift to it. Oh my goodness. On top of a lipstick, this is just mind blowing. Moving on to the next stellar launch of 2025 is this makeup brush, this travel makeup brush from PAC. Can you see that? Now, I know you must be thinking Mars has the same thing. I love the Mars travel brush. I'm talking about the 4-in-1. But something about this beats Mars. And that's only because when it comes to makeup brush, nobody does it like PAC Cosmetic. They are basically a brand that caters to makeup artists. So whatever that they're creating, be it makeup, be it concealers, be it their lipstick, it is top quality. It's just that they quite suck with their marketing. They really need to put themselves out there because they have so many launches that just disappear under the radar until and unless someone brings them out and highlights them. And maybe it's also because they just don't care. It sells for them. You know, you'll always see PAC, any of their PAC makeup, any PAC launches, they sell out. Especially this one, it sold out on Nykaa. But why I love this is because look at that innovative design, okay? Stellar design right now. I don't know if an international brand has done this. Right now, I'm only, my entire concentration is on this one basically. But you've got a foundation brush with the most beautiful bristles right out here. It is soft, it is dense, and it is unlike any other travel makeup brush I have tried. And again, 4-in-1. And what makes this even more innovative is that, look at that, it's a magnet compartment. Yeah, it attaches like a magnet compartment. Every brush is like, it just goes in like a magnet compartment. And you've got a concealer brush and you've got two eyeshadow brush. Now the eyeshadow brush is very unlike the Mars one because one of the eyeshadow brush, if you can see right now, it's got an angle to it. So it is very easy for you to just pick up right here on the corner and just give that smokiness. That's what I have applied. I'm just going to show you a reel right now. And that's what I have applied right here on the outer corners just to give a little more depth. Because of that angle as well, you're able to just, you know, smoke it out on your waterline. Then you go back to the magnetic clasp. You take on the concealer brush. Now, can you see the concealer brush? It's got a little bit of that doe foot. So you can just go right in and pack in that concealer so beautifully. And the bristles are so dense but yet soft for a concealer brush. And that is why you're able to blend it beautifully. Then you again go back to the magnetic clasp, and the last one is this eyeshadow brush. Now this is a packer brush, so you can pack in your glitter makeup or you can pack in any sort of cream eyeshadow, your powder eyeshadow. It just doesn't matter because it really packs in well, and then you can blend in with that angled brush. A beautiful 4-in-1, and this one is my most favorite because the way it just makes your makeup base look, you know, and that's what you need. You need something like this that is so precise and it just goes into your makeup bag. And I think that a lot more people will be talking about it. It's already sold out, and I have a feeling, just like the Mars one, this is going to be a bestseller. It comes in the 800 mark, but on a sale it would go even further down. But it's the way, the design, how sleek, how outstanding it is. And this foundation brush, the way it is designed out here, a little tapered, a little dense, that's what makes the foundation sit better than any other makeup travel brush I've tried, including Mars. Guys, just get it. Have you heard of a blow dry serum? Well, this is the last product to make it to today's list. So this is the anti-norm. This is not just a hair serum. This is a bye-bye blow-dry serum. So a bye-bye blow-dry is basically a serum that just controls your frizz and also adds shine. So as soon as you come to the shower, first of all, it smells so beautiful, and the serum has got so many benefits. So if you do not have time to style your hair, so you are in a rush, you just come out of the shower, you're wearing your clothes, and you just basically have some time to just, you know, air dry. It's slightly damp. You take, you know, 2-3 pumps of this, just section your hair basically, and be a little more generous with each section basically. Even if it's 3-4 section, you can't just take 1 pump for the whole hair. So I've noticed that you've got to take 1 pump for each section like this. and nicely coat this serum all over your strands. So don't be fooled with that bye-bye blow dry, because nothing gives you that volume and shine like a blow dry. But this one product can replace 11 products is what the brand claims. So basically a leave-in conditioner, a hair dryer, curl defining cream, a hair mask, a heat protectant, shine serum, anti-frizz cream, hairspray, split end serum, detangler spray, and protein treatment. I just know that this simple little thing has saved me a lot of time, and I just apply this, like I said, very generously all over my strands when it is slightly damp, when I don't have time to blow dry. And if you are somebody who just has been avoiding a lot of these heating tools to style your hair, and you just need something that's going to tame the frizz, add that shine, give you that heat protectant, then this is the kind of serum that you reach out for. What are Indian brands doing at this very moment? Guys, do you know, this year I have discovered incredible hair care products. If there's something that, I think that this 2025 was all about, it was about body care and it was about hair care products, because everything that I've tried in the body formulations, perfume, body lotions, like I've explained with Plum before, and in hair products like this one and many more, which I'll break it down in my upcoming videos, I am super proud of what Indian brands have been up to, what they have been cooking up, in their offices, because in their labs, in their office, they are cooking up something so amazing, because it has just brought about such a significant difference to my hair. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. These are the most amazing, best new launches of 2025. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section. If there's anything that you have tried, I would definitely like to buy, test it out, and probably, I could put it next time in my list. And please come back for a lot more. I love you so much, and until later, bye for now.